Let me ask you this. Do you know why most sales reps struggle to grow revenue? Even when they're working hard every single day? It's not because they lack skills, it's because their pipeline is broken. And a broken pipeline means broken results. But here's the secret. If you learn to manage and optimize your sales pipeline the right way, you'll unlock revenue you didn't even know you were missing. Sales isn't just about working harder. It's about working smarter. And your pipeline is the engine that drives everything forward. Let's break down the steps to optimize your sales pipeline so you can boost both consistency and revenue. 1. Clean your pipeline like you clean your house. A cluttered pipeline creates false hope. Too many reps keep dead deals sitting there for months, convincing themselves something will happen. But hope is not a strategy. Rule 1. Remove the deals that have no movement, no replies, no signs of life. A clean pipeline gives you a real picture of where you stand and frees your energy to focus on winnable opportunities. 2. Prioritize quality over quantity. Not every lead deserves the same attention. Stop wasting hours chasing prospects who will never buy. Focus on your high-value targets, the ones with both the budget and the decision-making power. This doesn't just save you time, it multiplies your closing rate. Remember, 10 strong leads are worth more than 50 weak ones. 3. Create clear stages and move deals forward. Your pipeline should be visual and structured. Prospecting, qualification, demo, proposal, close. Each stage should have clear actions that move the deal forward. Don't let deals float between stages. Either they move or they're out. This discipline keeps your pipeline healthy and predictable. 4. Track metrics that matter. Numbers tell the truth. If you want more revenue, you need to measure conversion rate per stage, average deal size, sales cycle length. When you know these numbers, you can spot bottlenecks and fix them. For example, if 70% of your deals die at the proposal stage, maybe your pitch isn't resonating, or maybe you're sending proposals too early. 5. Build momentum with daily pipeline habits. Success in sales isn't built on one big deal. It's built on consistent action. Block time every day for prospecting. Review your pipeline weekly, not monthly. Celebrate micro wins, like moving a lead to the next stage. This creates unstoppable momentum. And momentum is the lifeblood of revenue. 6. Stay motivated by seeing progress. Pipeline management isn't just about deals, it's about mindset. When you see progress visually, it fuels your confidence. Update your CRM, track your daily numbers, and celebrate every step forward. Each green light on your pipeline is proof that you're building something bigger. So, why do most sales reps miss their targets? It's not because they aren't working hard. It's because they're managing a broken pipeline. But when you clean it, prioritize quality leads, create clear stages, track the right numbers, and build daily habits, your pipeline transforms from a chaotic list into a powerful revenue machine. Remember, your pipeline is not just a tool. It's your future income on display. And the best part? The more discipline you put into managing it, the more freedom and success you create for yourself. So go ahead, optimize your pipeline, and watch your revenue grow. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to How to Sell Smarter for more sales tips, mindset strategies, and closing secrets to crush your targets this year.